Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I'm Rost Qasim and you're watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called Kadaya Coin. So if you remember, I already shared about a review about Tips Coin, and in this video we are going to talk about Kadaya Coin. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see small disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So here you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. You can check out Kadaya Tips Coin project, Diamond Original, no ICO, whole new platform, mining board, about white paper, roadmap and coin info. So you can also check it out, the white paper, direct link to Cohen company, and you'll be get all the information, writing and mining, the tips platform with the Kadaya and bulletin board, and you can check out Kadaya Coin burning schedule, and you can check out images of the platform. You can see images 1 Kadaya 0.5 Clay, 1 Kadaya 0.0 TRX, 20 apps. So you can check it out all the information about the Kadaya Coin and Tips Coin related to this project. You can check it out all the information about Tips Coin. So let's scroll up. You can check it out all the images and all the information. So let's click on the Kadaya Tips World Coin YouTube information about Kadaya Coin Tips project and about Kadaya Coin with Kadaya blockchain and platform tips platform complete ecosystem for Kadaya Coin, and you will get their Twitter and Telegram. Kadaya Coin Tips platform, you can check it out their payable addition, and you can check it out a whole new diamond Kadaya, and you can check it out their granted diamonds, NFTs and service. You can also see the service Kadaya Coin white paper, and you can check out their roadmap, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, everything right here. Kadaya Coin information, global diamond platform coin. I also show you Kadaya Coin on the DG Finance. First of all, you can see Kadaya Coin distribution, IEO, airdrop, marketing, ad, developer and foundation. You can check it out. This is the email. You can also contact the email. So the main thing is on the DG Finance, this project already listed on the DG Finance, and you can see the price prediction and everything on the DG Finance. Basically DG Finance is a crypto exchange. You can also click on sign up, and I provided a registration link in my description, and you can also click on sign up and you can create your account easily. So guys, if you see Kadaya USDT price is 0.0001 USDT. So if you look the chart carefully, you can see their 1 minute production. So if I click on the 1 day price production, you can see I think yesterday the price is almost 100%, and you can check it out their information about. If I click on 1 week production, you can see their 1 week production. So you can see this project is going to, and you can see the price here. You can check out the price, and if I click on this, you can see this project is good 128%, and then you can see prices. The good thing is price is now very low, and you can buy this token on early stage, and you will be get unlimited profit from this project. So guys, if you want to buy, then simply click on sign up option. First of all, you need to click on sign up, then you can see. So guys, you need to just click on your enter email address, then enter password, then if you have an invitation code, then simply put it, and your account will be created successfully. So you can see my account has been created. So now if you want to buy the Kadaya Coin, so let's see how much you want to buy the Kadaya Coin. Then see your amount in USDT. So enter your amount 100 USDT. Then prices, you can check out if you want to sell Kadaya Coin, and you'll be get your open orders, close orders and everything provided here. So you can see all the information about the this is the official white paper. You can check out Kadaya Coin white paper, Kadaya Coin, and you can see the table of contents. Here you can see the introduction of Kadaya Coin and Kadaya Coin project, the Atom platform, user experience and DeFi project, Kadaya NFT project, cancellation, coin information and distribution, business roadmap and legal disclaimer. So I hope you understand. So let's open the page. I click on it again, and you can check out introduction about the Kadaya Coin, each side of the gold and silver, and you will be get all the information about the coin project Atom platform and the Kadaya coin. The Atom platform DeFi project using Kadaya coin, and you can see the user experience and DeFi project. You can also see all the information about the NFT project, their coin information, distribution, reconciliation, legal disclaimer, and you can see the roadmap. So you can check out business roadmap. You can see all the phase of this project 2022, 2023 and 2024. All the information provided here. So I hope you understand. Simply click on translate the page. You can see the all the information about the Kadaya coin and everything provided here. Simply you can see on Friday broadcasting case coin and listing on the April. You can see all the information about it. So guys, this is the official Tipscoin YouTube channel. Simply click on this YouTube channel, then subscribe it, and you will be get all the information about the everything about the Kadaya coin and the Tipscoin. You can see that Tipscoin is channel. You can check out CEO and everything right here. Simply come on YouTube and then search the Tipscoin, and I already put in my video description, and you can see it. So if you want to buy, you can buy it. If you want to sell, you will sell it. How to trade, everything I've told you in my in this video. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. So guys, I also show you the trading view. If you are clicking the trading, you can check out the trading view. You can see the 15 minutes production, 30-minute production, and I already tell all the production, and you can check out the full information, full chart about this project. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.